But first tonight, snow melt concerns.
We are expecting some milder temps to move in the next week, and with a few feet of snow on the ground in some places, many of you may be concerned about where the snow will go once it starts to melt.
Tonight, experts are weighing in. Eyewitness News reporter Pete Mangione is in Kingston now with more on our top local story.
Here at the University of Rhode Island, they've been researching water. At issue, exactly how will the snowfall from this winter influence the flooding potential for this spring? We've heard from viewers who want to know, could we see more flooding scenes like this in the coming months? URI hydrology professor Thomas Boving says rivers and streams are okay right now.
We're actually near normal, maybe even below normal.
A big reason for the modest levels, the fact that a lot of the snow hasn't melted. The worst case scenario would be if it all melted at once.
Fast warm-up in the 40s, 50s, on top of it a large amount of rain. That's the worst case.
Boving estimates the snow that's on the ground now is equivalent to about 5 inches of water. Add that to a substantial rainstorm of 2 inches, and you end up with 7 inches. Well, that would create some flooding. It would be well shy of the 16 inches of water that triggered the historic floods.
Bottom line is, it is very unlikely that given the current state of the snow, that we're going to see major flooding, anything similar to what we had last year.
Essentially, it would take near historic rainfall to recreate the flooding from last spring. So what kind of weather would it take to see no flooding at all?
The best scenario? Well, have a couple of days with no rain, beautiful sky, but above freezing. Let's say in the upper 30s. Mid-40s.
Boving says once he sees more significant melting, he'll research the potential effects of any contaminants that might be in the snow. At the University of Rhode Island, I'm Pete Mangione, Eyewitness News.